Finally!
You might have heard it many times already, but the screens on the Galaxy S24 Plus and Ultra aren't as colorful as Samsung fans are used to from their Galaxy phones. Galaxy S24 owners weren't pleased to find out that Samsung removed the option for those who prefer vibrant colors over realistic ones. They wanted more control over the display settings. Luckily, Samsung listened to the criticism and feedback. With the first Galaxy S24 software update, they decided to include a vividness adjustment slider for the vivid screen mode, giving users the ability to adjust the color saturation to their liking. Here, we have a live demo video. In a video shared by user at Maidabak Cafe, selecting the vivid option demonstrates a noticeable improvement. However, it's not entirely clear how much of a difference the vividness slider makes. This uncertainty could be due to the angle at which the video was recorded. Alternatively, it might indicate another issue that Samsung may need to address in future updates. As of February 20, the update introducing the vividness adjustment slider for the vivid screen mode has been released in South Korea, but it's not yet available in other countries. However, thanks to Twitter, you can watch demonstrations of the improved vivid screen mode while you wait for the update to become available in your country. For the time being, we can take comfort in the fact that the display no longer appears equally dull on both the vivid and natural screen modes. However, we also hope that further enhancements are in store if Galaxy S24 owners remain unsatisfied with the solution provided in the initial update. The prolific tipster and leakster, Ice Universe, also talk about a new update. He shared some images in which he compared Galaxy S24 Ultra old firmware, .9 with new firmware XB5. You can also see the difference. Also, he said, in addition to South Korea, other regions may push more optimized new firmware versions. Before this live demo video, Ice Universe also shared first set of pictures that shows the difference in natural and vivid option. The first option is how the Galaxy S24 looked before, dull and washed out. The second option is similar to how the Galaxy S23 Ultra looked. The third option has more vibrant colors with saturated yellows and an overall lively look. One thing to note is that there is a slight difference between the photos, but it's not huge. It could be because the photos were uploaded to Twitter, which might have affected the way they appear. When some people started saying there was no difference in the photos, a Twitter user pointed out, for those who can't see the difference, it's mainly noticeable in the yellows. Take a look here, even the hexadecimal codes for yellows differ in the same spot. If you still don't see any difference, it's pretty clear you're overlooking something. So after the update, you can choose between these settings to make your display look less dull and more vibrant. Released first update in South Korea last Friday. Now it seems like the update will come to Galaxy S24 phones in North America this week. As per Canadian carrier Fido's software support page, the Galaxy S24 is set to receive the February 2024 update on February 23. If this detail is correct, people using Galaxy S24 in Canada can expect better camera performance by the end of this week. Additionally, this update will come with the February 2024 security patch, addressing 72 security issues discovered in the previous software version. International market is waiting for the update. According to Samsung's information shared with 9to5 Google, the rollout will begin on February 22. Since updates like this happen in stages, it's possible that Galaxy S24 owners in certain places might have to wait until the end of February or even early March for the update to reach them. Here's the list of all the camera updates. Note, if you already watched my previous video, you can skip this part. 1. Image quality has been improved by adjusting the brightness when shooting backlit in high pixel mode. 2. The clarity of text has been improved when using high magnification zoom. Galaxy S24 Ultra only. 3. Clarity and picture quality have been improved when recording rear video. Galaxy S24 Ultra only. 4. In the photo mode preview, the brightness of dark areas in indoor environments has been increased and the sharpness of people has been smoothly improved. Galaxy S24 Ultra only. 5. Expression has been improved by additionally applying color data in food mode. 6. Colors have been improved by adjusting saturation and white balance in night mode. 7. Image quality has been improved when zooming in on the gallery after shooting a new format DNG in the Expert RAW app. 8. The expression of fast-moving subjects in backlight conditions in rear photo mode has been improved. Galaxy S24 Ultra only. 9. The exposure and color expression of subjects, people, flowers, etc. have been improved in photo mode. Galaxy S24 Ultra only. These updates are exactly what we needed for the S24 Ultra cameras. Just hang tight until the 22nd for the update, and all your issues will be fixed. A user posted on Reddit about grainy, sandy/dusty screen issue on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Recently, reports among Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra users about a significant issue concerning screen quality have been on the rise. This issue, particularly evident when displaying dark colors like dark gray, manifests as a graininess or sandiness, noticeable at both low and high brightness settings. This situation degrades the expected quality of AMOLED screen technology, which is known for its deep black levels and high contrast ratio. Similar problems have not been observed in previous Samsung models such as the S23 Ultra and Galaxy S9 Plus, indicating that the current situation is unusual. I support this issue with photos collected from different user forums and images taken from my own device. The photos demonstrate the reality and impact of the problem, showing that it is not limited to a specific group of users. The ineffectiveness of recent updates on the Korea to resolve the issue suggests that it is not a software problem, but a hardware-related one. One of the biggest disappointments is Samsung's lack of any official statement or satisfactory solution to address users' concerns. A suggestion by a moderator on the Samsung Korea forum to use the device at maximum brightness and in light mode seems like a temporary measure rather than a real solution, raising concerns for users' eye health. This situation reinforces the view that Samsung needs to be more transparent and effective in recognizing this widespread issue and finding an appropriate solution. Users deserve to know the cause behind the grainy appearance of the screen, which production batches are affected, and what steps Samsung is taking to resolve this issue. Additionally, the presence of pixel-like errors that resemble shining dust inside the screen when exposed to direct light while the screen is off further increases concerns about screen quality. This problem has been observed not only in the S24 Ultra but also in other Samsung devices such as the Tab S9 Ultra. In this context, we expect Samsung to make a clear statement about these issues, conduct the necessary investigations to identify the affected devices and batches, and take concrete steps to maintain customer satisfaction and product quality. As a user community, we are aware that such issues can harm the overall quality of products and brand perception, and we hope that Samsung takes these concerns seriously and provides effective solutions. New video on this topic will be published soon. Are you facing any kind of bug, issue, or problem with your new Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.